Yo, welcome back to Jack's Kicks, guys. Today we have a cool unboxing of the NOCTA L'ART Racing Jacket here. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to Jack's Kicks for all the latest clothing and shoes and stuff like that. I got you guys covered. Also, follow my main channel, Jack's Gaming, as well, if you're interested in gaming. Here it is. This is an extra large for the jacket, and yeah, this was always on my radar, but like I never knew what the actual release date was. And then out of nowhere, I just saw it. I can't remember where I saw it, but that it was releasing. And then obviously I got it from NOCTA, so I'm very happy about that. And also stay tuned to the channel because next week I will be covering a Supreme item as well. That's pretty big, so you guys don't want to miss that as well. But here it is, man. Here it is. And this is cool. So it's a racing jacket, and obviously it's gonna have really nice materials. And it's really nice, man. The embroidery on here is insane. Like you guys can see right here. Obviously, I'm gonna put it on body and stuff as well. Cool, cool, cool. There you go. As you guys can see all the embroidery. Like, look at this. Like, pretty much almost everything's embroidered, which is really nice. You guys can see there. Just everything, man. Great quality, great material. For $300, you know, it better be, you know. But yeah, this is everything. Here is the back side as well. Has the nice Velcro and stuff as well. And what I like about this is that you can button and zip it up as well. So you don't have to just worry about it being only, you know, zipped up or whatever. I'm glad they didn't put Velcro. I'm glad that it's actually zip up or button up type of zipping and stuff, which is really nice. And it has the quilted inside, as you guys can see there, with the NOCTA and L'ART print inside. Really nice. It's repeated on the inside. Obviously, if you can have something quilted, you know it has high quality. If you get a jacket and it's quilted, you know you got the right purchase, man. Nice quality inside. Got some pockets on the inside as well. Really cool. Really similar to like a varsity jacket type of style. Really nice stuff. More of the detail on the back. All the embroidery and stuff. Really nice jacket, man. And so like I said, this is an extra large. Sorry for the lighting. I know I always talk about the lighting. I got you guys covered with the lighting. The lighting will get better. I promise you guys that. I promise it's going to happen very, very soon. Alright, guys? But here it is, man. Yo. This thing is fire. This thing is fire. Alright? I mean, you guys see it. Here's what it looks like unzipped, without me putting on everything. Bro, all the embroidery is crazy. And I think the NOCTA logo right here has 3M. And there might be some other 3M hints as well. Hints on it. I'm not too sure. But I know that the NOCTA logo has 3M. Here's what the back is looking like too. Really nice. Yes, sir. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. This is it. This is fire right here. Like, I had to get this, and I'm so glad I copped it. And I don't know how it was on sneakers, because I got it off the NOCTA website. But on the NOCTA website, it was very easy, very chill. Like, it sold out within 9 minutes, or probably 8 minutes or something in the extra large. But if you really wanted to get it and you're quick on it, you're going to get it, you know. Here's the back again. Yeah, I can see the 3M on the NOCTA logo already. So yeah, there's definitely some 3M on the NOCTA. It's on the side here too. And they zip up. Oh, wow. Yo, that's fire. They do zip up as well. Like this, so you good to go. Wearing that NOCTA, that's hard. Yo, this is hard, eh? Quilted inside, tons of embroidered patches on it. A Nike collaboration with L'ART. Yeah. Hey, this is it. You can't get any better than this, man. This is absolutely fire. And on sizing, I think it's pretty much true to size. I mean, this is extra large. I guarantee you if I got this in a large, I probably still would be able to fit it pretty well as well. Like, I would have no problem. So, if you guys don't want things too baggy on you when it comes to, like, the arms, and you might want to go down a size, I think it depends on your body, though. So, you just got to know your body, and then you'll know what to get. But I recommend just true to size. That's always the safest bet. And here it is, fully zipped up. And yeah, the neck, it gets all the way up to your neck. So yeah, the Velcro strap, it definitely reaches all the way to the top of your neck. So you're definitely going to feel it. That's going to take some getting used to. Here's what it looks like when, you know, you have it fully zipped up. All the patches, all the embroidery. Really nice stuff right here, man. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have any questions, what you guys think about it. Let me know, do you guys like it? Are you guys copping it? Or are you guys just checking it out? Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And did you guys get any other items? I saw the gloves. I definitely wanted the gloves. I missed out on those. And the pants are pretty cool. I might get those eventually. We'll see. But I'm just super happy that I got this. I didn't get the shirt too. I wanted to get the shirt, but I was just like, let me just chill a bit. Let me just go for the jacket first, and then we'll see. But I never got around to it. But I'm definitely happy with this purchase right here, man. The moment I saw this jacket, man, I was like, yeah, this is it. And it did not disappoint at all. Like, this thing is crazy. Wow. Absolutely crazy, man. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the NOCTA Racing Jacket, man. Really nice overall. Highly recommend you get it. And for the resale prices, not too crazy too, but you might, if you look around, you possibly could still get it if there is any available stock left from any other website that's, you know, offering it. But if not, worst case scenario, you just get it for resale, and it's like probably like $100 or resale, or like 50, depending on your size. So you'll be good to go. So I highly recommend you guys get it if you guys did not get it yet. Really nice quality. Love the jacket overall. Nice embroidery. And they either got some printed stuff here as well on the side too. Lots of nice pockets and everything. Quilted inside. It's perfect, man. So highly suggest you guys get it. Thank you guys so much for watching Jack's Kicks. Make sure you subscribe to my main channel, Jack's Gaming, as well. I post all the gaming content you need over there as well. So yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. And make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel, because next week I have another unboxing, and it's going to be pretty dope as well. And it should be pretty interesting because something happened, and I'll tell you guys the story next week once it happens, because I'm a bit nervous but at the same time excited. So we'll see how it goes, man. But thank you guys so much for watching, man. I'll see you guys on next week's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.